Let's see a problem. Write Nernst equation and EMF of the following cell at 298 Kelvin. He given this cell representation. We have to write Nernst equation and we have to find EMF of the cell. See, in this cell, you know that this is a salt bridge, double bar indicates salt bridge, and this part is anode and this part is cathode. In anode, oxidation will happen. See, Mg magnesium is undergoing oxidation. Mg is converting into Mg2 plus. This single bar indicates separation between Mg and Mg plus 2 ions which are in the solution. This is concentration of the Mg plus 2 ions, that is concentration of the solution. And this side, at cathode side, reduction will happen. So Cu plus 2C, copper is undergoing reduction. Cu plus 2 is converting into Cu, and same way this this single bar indicates separation between Cu plus 2 ions which are in the solution and the copper rod which is solid, and this is concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. Now in order to write Nernst equation, we have to find cell reaction. So for that, see what are individual of cell reaction. See, at anode magnesium is undergoing oxidation, 2 electrons will be liberating. At cathode this copper is undergoing reduction. By taking these 2 electrons, copper is undergoing reduction. So now combine these two reactions, these 2 electrons will get cancelled. What is left in this side? Mg and Cu2 plus, and this side Mg2 plus and Cu is left. So this is the cell reaction of this cell. What is happening in this cell? Magnesium is undergoing oxidation and copper is undergoing reduction. Now we have to write Nernst equation for this. You know that we can write Nernst equation at 298 Kelvin as E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by, instead of n here is 2, why 2? See, one magnesium atom is giving 2 electrons, so 2 electrons are transferring this circuit by one magnesium atom, so n is 2 into log of, see in the numerator there should be concentration of oxidized form ions. So which is oxidized form ion here? See, this is Mg2 plus, and divided by, in denominator there should be reducing form of concentration of reducing form of ions. See, Cu plus 2 is undergoing reduction, so its concentration should be here in the denominator. Now this is the Nernst equation. Now you have to find EMF of the cell. To find that one, you know concentration of magnesium ions is given here only, and you know concentration of Cu plus 2 ions is given in the here only, and you don't know E naught cell to calculate this E cell. So let's see now how to calculate this E naught cell, but he didn't given any data, so you have to find out this E naught cell by table only. You know that E cell equal to E right minus E left, or that is E naught cell equal to E naught right minus E naught left. So now in this cell you have to identify which is on right side and which is on left side. See, this is on right side where where reduction happens. Always at cathode side reduction will happen. See, copper is undergoing reduction, so this is so E right is reduction potential of the copper. See, and left side is magnesium, which is anode. Always on left side anode will be there, so where oxidation will happen. So E left is electrode potential of magnesium. Now, so E naught cell equal to, see, it has to become E naught standard reduction potential of the copper minus standard reduction potential of the magnesium. The standard reduction potential you can calculate from this table. Standard reduction potential means when these concentrations are unity, when the concentration of the solutions are unity, then electrode potential is standard electrode potential, and you can get those values from this table. You know that. Now what we are calculating, we are calculating EMF of the cell at these concentration, these are standard. Standard means when the concentration is 1 molar. Now from this table you will get this E naught of standard reduction potential of copper as 0.34 minus and standard reduction potential of magnesium as minus 2.36. See here, even though magnesium is undergoing oxidation, we are taking reduction potential because every electrode potential is measured in reduction potential only. So its reduction potential is minus 2.36. Now when you simplify this one, you will get E naught cell as 2.7 volt. Now what you have to calculate? E cell, EMF of the cell at these two concentration. See now this. In this, substitute the value 2.7. E naught cell is 2.7 minus 0.059 by 2 into log of E given Mg2 concentration as 0.001 and concentration of Cu as 0.0001. So simplify. When you divide this one, you will get log 10. Log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. This is logarithm of base 10. And see, 0.059 by 2 is 0.0295. Subtract this one, you will get E cell, that is EMF of the cell as 2.67 volt. This is the EMF of the cell. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.